Want to succeed on Amazon? With over 9.5 million global sellers, it is a battlefield out there. But with the right strategies, you can dominate your product category. But first, let's quickly cover the different types of Amazon ads. The first type of ad, which is the most popular, is sponsored products, and it looks like this. This is important when the customer is searching for your product and they will find it at the top of the page. Second is sponsored brands, which looks like this, and sponsored display, which looks like this. Now let's cover what you actually need to do to succeed as a seller on Amazon. First, your ad copy should be as specific as possible. So you should cover all of your key features, your USPs, and cover what makes your product different to the competitors. Second, experiment with a different ad format. Track your campaigns and data and see what works best for you, then budget accordingly to this. Third, make your ad copy compelling. So if it fits your brand, don't be afraid to add a little bit of humor and creativity. Fourth, sort campaigns by product category. So imagine you run a skincare brand with different products targeting different skin types. And within each campaign, you can set up ad groups to target specific variations such as anti-aging and acne. So now that we've briefly covered advertising on Amazon, it's time for you to mix the different strategies together to see what works for your brand.